There is a module in the admin side where the admin will be able to send out the year-end statements to all their donors via an email. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can test that and set it so that you can send it to all your donors with an email in them. The expectation is that when the donor receives the email with the link, they would be able to click on that and they will be redirected to their statements page and be able to download the PDF for their year-end statement. So to use or test this module is called the personalized data send. We will need to set up three areas first. One would be a user group. So in the admin side, under users, click on the groups. You will need to add a new user group, name it, and then add yourself in that user group. Now, in this case, since I already have a user group, I'm using this user group and I'm already included in that user group. And this is important because later on, we are going to set up this module with a visibility condition so that only specific users in that user group will be able to see this. So that is very important to note. Next, you'll need to make sure that the personalized data send system message is in your installation. So that is under the reports component and called personalized data send. If you do not have that, you need to add it in system messages. And then lastly, you'll need to publish the personalized data send to the year-to-date statement page. So to add the module, you'd have to go into the Content Explorer side, look for the folder that uses the module type, right-click on it, click on Add Item, and look for the module called Personalized Data Send. In that module, you'd be able to customize the wordings in the email that gets sent to your donors. So in here, as you can see, when you add it, it will automatically autofill the fields. Now, it is important to make sure that you do not change the hyperlink for this one. So every field there has already been autofilled with the correct variable. So you can use this already, or if you need to make additions in it, you can do that from here. Under it, you have the test mode checkbox. Now, this is important. If you enable this, this will let you test out the module first so that you can actually see how the email is going to look like as your donor or as a donor, and be able to see the PDF, how it will look like as your donor as well. So once you have set up the personalized data module, or you've added it in the Content Explorer, you need to publish it in the page. So what I did here was I published a basic wrapper. Now in that basic wrapper, you can set up the visibility condition. In this case, I have set it up so that any items within that wrapper would only be accessible to the user group. So in my case, my user group was the developer's user group. You can also set a visibility condition in the module itself. So in this case, I've also set a visibility condition for the module itself, and it's only visible to this user group. So having that visibility condition makes sure that when a user accesses this page, the year-to-date statement page, they will not see this unless they are part of that user group. So for testing again, it is important that you check the test mode. So in the test mode, you can send this to yourself. So when you do that, it will prompt you to this message and you just click on yes, send for testing. And what it will do is that the system will email you with the link. So when you click on that link, it will redirect you to this page and be able to download the PDF statement. Now, when you send this to your donors, make sure that you filter it by the correct year. In this case, what we are wanting is for them to access their last year's year-end statement. So make sure that the year is filtered by the correct year, and then you can send it for testing, or if you disable the test mode, you can send it directly to your donors as a live email. The expectation for this is that when the donor clicks on that link from the email, they will be redirected to the page where they won't be prompted to log in. The email will include a pre-token which is associated to the donor's household ID, so that it makes sure that whoever clicks on that link and views the page, they will only see the giving statement or the giving data from their household. On your report, also make sure that that filter is actually set. So in this case, we'll need to make sure that the download button and the report itself is set. By default, those should already be set to filter by the logged in person's household. But just make sure, just double check that those are indeed configured to filter by the logged in person's household. Now, to manage the PDF that they actually download when they click on this button, that is managed under Print Templates. So first, let's make sure what PDF template the button is using. So in this case, I'll right-click on the download report, click on Edit, and under Export Type, I see that it is the PDF and it's using the year-end statements template. Now, on the Print Templates, under PDF Templates, this is the PDF that it's using. So the button is using this PDF so that when you click on it, this is the PDF that it generates. So to view that or to preview it, you can right-click on it, click on Manage Template Pages, and double-click on the page. So from here, you can actually preview the PDF, how it will look like. If you need to make changes on the wordings in that page, you can do it through the template units. So here, take note of the body content. This is the template unit. So it is the year-end giving statement body. So I can close this. I can now go to the template units and look for that template unit. So year-end giving statement body, right-click and click on Edit. So here, this is where you can actually edit the PDF wordings in it. So that's about everything regarding the personalized data send.